Hi everybody, it's Jeff and Nikki from Nightshade Nook Decor. So we are finishing up a wall hanger. I guess we'd call this wall art,
Yeah,
plaque,
yeah, black as well.
whatever it is you want to call it.
Mhm.
So this is another thin blue line one for canine units. And as we said before, you know, we take custom orders so we can do this for any occasion. If you want one for like team sports or, you know, schools, supporting teachers. I can't think of all the other different things you could come up with.
Fire, EMS, different branches of the service.
Or shamrocks. You could just do
Right.
any kind of thing.
I'm actually going to be working on one for the AOH.
Family crest would be cool.
Yep, that would be another one. That would be a good one.
So we know decals work. I wonder what happened with images.
It would be the same, pretty much.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Like if someone wanted to put a picture of their puppy?
You could do it, especially if we could transfer it to a decal style, you know. That would be better.
Because that would be a good, like, little memory thing. You know, put like a picture of...
To memorialize a...
To memorials of Pooch.
Mm-hmm.
Well, I would do that. There should be a Bella plaque. So this is the final flood coat on this piece. So basically once Jeff's done pouring it on there, he's gonna tap all the...
Surface tension.
Thank you. I like it when you realize, yeah, I have no word. I was going to say air, but I'm like, no, the torch is where the air is, which I've got the torch here. I was just wondering where it was.
Okay, so that's good for the epoxy. So I'm just going to spread this around and make sure all the sides are covered.
I think this is a pretty piece of wood.
It is.
I like it.
This was actually the cutoff from our other thin blue line project. And it was such a nice little piece of wood, we were able to make use of it.
And Frank really seemed to love that.
Oh yeah.
That wall art.
Yeah.
I like this one better. I don't know if it's just because it's got the puppy paw on it.
Yeah, you're a sucker for dogs.
I am a sucker for dogs. I'm the person the airport security hates. I'm like, oh, puppy, let me pet the puppy. Don't touch the puppy. Except they don't even call him puppy. Yeah, I think this is going to look very, very cool. And I don't think, like with this one, like on the other one, you had to do the hangers on.
Yeah, this is going to hang one way.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's meant to hang horizontally. Okay, so
So what he's doing is just tapping the epoxy, which is supposed to allow it to level out. It relieves the surface tension on it.
yeah, this breaks the surface tension on the epoxy, and it'll help it to lay flat everywhere and not have like little voids and low spots. And this is sort of what helps it self-level, so to speak. And again, I'm just making sure that all my sides have good coverage, especially down here where it's janky.
I like that janky part. It's one of my favorite parts of this piece.
Yeah.
It does have a little crack in the farther end that he put some, the sapphire blue epoxy.
Sapphire blue, and you'll see it after I blow the air bubbles out of it. But so I'm done getting sloppy here. Let me get rid of my gloves. And switch to the torch. And we'll get rid of some of these bubbles.
I was going to say, so he runs the torch over it to remove any of the air bubbles in it.
And this one's going to take a few minutes because the epoxy was kind of cold this morning and it's really holding the air.
Hey, you're not kidding. That's taking a while.
Yeah, and I don't want to.
It's really kind of foamy and frothy.
Yeah. Now we're starting to get somewhere.
Well, I've also got the glare of other things around it.
The lights and stuff.
Yeah.
It's getting better.
It is. So now you can kind of see that little crack that he filled with the sapphire blue down there. Which I think is just like a nice little accent piece to this.
Yeah. Still got a lot of
I think the little jinky part and the crack in it just gives it a lot of good character.
Mm-hmm.
I like it. And what is this? This is like a foot long?
I think it is about a foot long. Might even be a little bit longer. Okay. I think that's good for now. I may wait a few minutes and see if any more bubbles rise to the surface, but I think I'm done torching it
Okay.
for now.
Well, I'm happy with it.
Yeah, it came out really nice.
Okay, guys. Well, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like and share our videos. And if you have any questions, put them in the comments. And we'll talk to you later.